Welcome to Python Tutorial, Lesson 17. Today we learn about modules and imports. We will use built-in and custom modules. Modules let you reuse code from other files. Import loads a module from imports specific items. As gives modules shorter alias names. Let us create import_basics.py. Import math gives access to math functions. SQRT, seal, and floor are common tools. From random imports randint and choice directly. No prefix needed when using from import. Import datetime as dt creates a shorter alias. Time formats dates and times as strings. OS and platform provide system information. Dir lists all functions inside a module. Let us review the code with bat. Now let us run the code. Math functions returned sqrt, pi, seal, and floor. Random picked a number and a fruit. Dir found all public functions in math. Now let us create our own module. Any Python file can be a module. The name guard prevents code running on import. Let us create helpers.py as our custom module. Greet returns a greeting with the name. Calculate underscore area multiplies length by width. Celsius underscore to underscore Fahrenheit applies the formula. Pi is a module level constant. The name guard runs code only when executed directly. Now let us create use_helpers.py. Import helpers loads the entire module. From helpers import picks specific functions. Import as creates an alias for the function. Let us review helpers.py with bat. Now let us review use _helpers.py. Let us run use _helpers.py. All three import styles access the same functions. Each style is useful in different situations. Let us build a unit converter as a mini project. We create a module with conversion functions. The main script imports and uses all conversions. Let us create converter.py with conversion functions. Celsius _ to _ Fahrenheit and its reverse handle temperature. Kilogram _ to _ pounds and pounds _ to _ kilogram handle weight. Km _ to _ miles and miles _ to _ km handle distance. The name guard tests the module when run directly. Now let us create unit _ converter.py. The import block loads 6 functions from converter. The temperature loop converts 0, 25, and 100 Celsius. The weight loop converts 1, 5, and 70 kilograms. The distance loop includes a marathon at 42 kilometers. Let us review converter.py with that. Now let us review unit _ converter.py. Let us run the unit converter. Temperature shows 0 is 32 F and 100 is 212 F. Weight converted 70 kilograms to about 154 pounds. The marathon is about 26.22 miles. Let us recap modules and imports. Import loads modules from import specific items. As creates aliases, and any file can be a module. The name guard controls what runs on import. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. In the next lesson, we explore classes and objects.